Alright guys, so this is a couple hours later, and I've got one of the mounts on for the motor, probably the most important mount. I'm just trying to align the swing arm with the frame and the motor. So, I'm not exactly enjoying myself too much at the moment. It's not coming easy. So there's one section. Don't know where it's going, but I need to get my hammer. Could give it a couple whacks. Easy. Don't want to break anything. Oh, oh. No, she's still going. No, she stopped. Okay. Let's see what's going on this side. Oh, don't want to drop her. Oh yeah, she's a bit low. Oosh. Okay, hold on a second. Get this shit. Okay. She's a little bit bigger than the other motor. Kind of weird. Okay. Now, I'll lift this shit. You bastard. Oh, see what she's trying to do, eh? Trying to be a little bit sneaky. Okay. No worries, no worries. Push down. Okay. So it looks like this part of the swing arm needs to be lifted. No. Put her back down the way she was. Put her back down. Okay. What the hell am I doing? Oh, there's the lock. Let's see if this will do anything. This is gonna take me a while. And the only difference between the side cases on the 82 and the 83 is that they have different water pumps. Just keep that in mind if you're ever gonna do an engine swap and you got a right case that is apparently cracked. So, I mean, it looks, when I took it apart, it was cracked, but it doesn't look like it's going to spill anything because the guy put a couple of welds on it. And I'm still having trouble screwing it on because the top part of the case almost seems warped, which is definitely not good. Okay, son of a bitch. Jeez, you bastard. You bastard. Come on. Come on. What do you think this is? Think I got time for this shit? Oh, man. My back is killing me, man. I'm gonna sleep like a piece of shit tonight. Maybe put a little bit of oil on there. Idea. Okay, you know what? I got a better idea. Looks like you're supposed to put like a screwdriver into there and lift it. Oh, I don't have any screwdrivers in my vicinity, so can I find some? Engine bullet swaps. They aren't easy. Eh? That's nice. Got one of my neighbors walking by. She's thinking, what the fuck? She can do. Have a good one. Shoot a laugh. Good. You know what? I don't even know, man. I don't even know. I don't even know. Oh shit. I don't know what I'm doing here. This is fucking ridiculous. Fuck. Oh man, I can do this. Do this. Okay. Oh man, why are you going the other way? You're supposed to go up. Son Okay, I got an idea. I guys got an idea. Oh, it's working. It is working. Just gonna hold it like that. Oh, she hit. Keep your dog under control.
Oh, boo boo, look at him. He's a mess.
Oh man, I lost that. Just realized that my camera is still recording. Come on. Alright, that's it for now.